Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring you can remove the items, check file ownership and permissions, and be ready to authenticate with an admin password if requested. Next, open Finder, click the dock icon or press Command plus Option plus space, and navigate to the folder where the file's live. Once there, select one file or drag to multi-select using Shift or Command. Make sure you're looking at the correct items before proceeding, because this selection is what you will delete in the following steps. With your items selected, move them to trash. Press Command plus Delete for speed or drag the files to the trash icon to confirm visually. Once moved, open Trash to verify contents. You can restore items by right-clicking and choosing Put Back if you changed your mind. Keep in mind that moved files still occupy disk space until you empty the trash. So unless you want temporary removal, plan to empty trash next. Otherwise, the files linger and continue using storage. Finish by permanently deleting. In Finder, choose Empty Trash or right-click the trash icon and select Empty Trash, then authenticate if prompted. If a file resists deletion, try restarting into safe mode to release locks, or use Finder's secure empty options on older Mac OS. As a last resort, open Terminal and run rmref with the exact path. Exercise extreme caution because Terminal bypasses trash and removes files immediately. If you see permission errors, use sudo carefully or adjust ownership with chown before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.